I can't. Hello besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Perpetual, aka Pepianacoco. So it's another day on the school farm. Yes, I'm currently on my IT, which in full is called industrial training. And yes, as you guys know, I'm a student of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, esut in short form, and I'm an agric student, animal science to be precise. So this is the second video I'm dropping about my school farm training, like my industrial training. And for this week we are on the that was a mistake. But this week we are on the piggery unit. Yeah, so this is esut's pig house. You can see some of my classmates, they are cleaning the pig house. So that's what we are doing today. After cleaning the pig house, we would be giving the pigs vaccination. We'll be vaccinating them because some of the pigs give birth and some should be vaccinated today. Some have been vaccinated previously. So this is one of the pig. You can see how it looks. You can see the house is actually looking clean compared to when we started this IT, because some sets that were here before us, they've tidied up the place. Like each week a new set of people come into the piggery units. Like that's how they sectioned us, so it do rotate every week. A new set must be in every unit, so that's how it is. So it is our turn now. Though here is smelly, but it's not as smelly as it was when we just started this IT, trust me. Now the man you guys saw tying the gate is the one in charge of the piggery unit. Is the one that takes care of the pig, make sure the house is clean. The one on yellow short, make sure everywhere is clean. So that you can see me there videoing while someone else is videoing me, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm always the one doing the video, nobody videos me, and it's not fair. I need to be on these videos too, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's time for us to give the piglets vaccination. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it to your family and friends, so while you enjoy us vaccinating the piglets.
Always make sure that the calibration is facing you so that you know when to stop. How many meals did I say were?
One. Hey, it's not 10 meal.
Because we are injecting so many, I don't want to bring out this needle, because the needle we use for getting out this is always different. Are you seeing how he's holding the piglets?
Yes. These are the piglets we are giving the vaccines to. There are 7 in number, and that's their mom. You can see she's looking all skinny because she's breastfeeding. You know, once they're on breastfeeding stress, and those things you guys see on the floor are some of the things they eat. She's actually moving around now because she's trying to get to her kids. The piglets are actually screaming, and as you can see, they are clustered in one place because they are scared. That's how they do. It's how they are clustering themselves. Some are even on each other because they are scared. So like I said, there are 7 in number, and yeah, just that one pig gave birth to 7 of them. They could actually give birth to more most times, and the mom is just looking for every way to come in here and rescue her kids or her piglets, but there's no way we'll be letting her in until we're done with vaccinating the piglets. So yeah, continue enjoying.
Mind, Pablo, come here.
Blow the entire head with this guy. Mama fly, mama fly.
This is Savage cleaning up the pig house. This was actually what we did first before we gave the piglets vaccines, but I just felt like putting that part first because that part is more interesting than the cleaning, so people don't get bored so quick here at the beginning. So once it's done sweeping here, I'm going to go sweep the other side. Yeah, so this is me trying to sweep the other side, pack the pool and other stuff. So hope you guys are actually enjoying watching this video. This is a realistic, unfiltered day in our life as an esut agri student on IT. So basically we do a lot of work. Since this IT, we've always been working, always been keeping the farm clean, because I think that's the main work we've been doing. So I hope you're enjoying watching this video. Tell me which of my videos you love the most, what you love to see me post more on my channel. Thank you for watching till this point. You're the real MVP. I really do love and appreciate you guys. Enjoy watching.
I mean, all these years, they don't clean here or what? Why the bed is dying? See,
Guys, this is where we have the layer beds, and we were told to come and clean here. This was one of the first times when we started the IT. This was the first week of our IT, and this was the week when we were in Poultry, and these are layer beds, not the main place where we are doing the poultry training. So this poultry dung has been here for a very long time, based on how it smells. Like, it smells so bad. It smells like gutter. Like, I don't know, it smells like gutter. I couldn't withstand the smell. That's why I was parading about. My classmate packing it, they really have moral and strength. So I decided to help them push, since I didn't really help them pack. We want to keep it somewhere it's going to dry off, because they end up using the dung as manure, or sell it to some people that need it as manure, or to use for whatever it is they want to use it. So watching till this point, I hope you're enjoying.
Your baby now can show. Which course did they study again? Animal science, agri students. If you go now. Hey. I better go. Me, I walk no be in vain. I don't hear it.
So I think be like,
You are wrong. Opportunity come at once. You don't see opportunity. You are a smart guy.
smart horse.
So guys, this is a new day, and this is one of the days in the first week when the vibe was still there, the ginger, everybody was happy coming to the farm. It was very stressful, but then we were doing all the works we were being given. with joy and having fun at the same time. So this is the poultry unit, one of the poultry units. This is where they bring in the day-old chick and they rear it to it's 5 weeks. Then when it's 5 weeks, it gets moved to another poultry unit, another poultry where the birds gets to its final stage, then gets sold from that place. So this things is packing out now. They are called litter materials. They're called litter materials mixed with the poultry dung, poultry feces. I don't know the one that I would call it for you guys. So that's Popular. You can see he's very tall and very Popular is actually very hardworking. I'm surprised that he's actually good with sweeping, cleaning. The other time we were told to cut grass, like a very wide space was given to our group. Popular was the one that did most of the cutting. So yeah, this is where they bring in the birds into from 5 weeks. You can see how big this one is. Currently we are should I call it transloading, or we are moving our birds from this place to another poultry unit. Like I said earlier, we have 3 poultry units. Yeah, so this is one of them. You can see how messy here is. Oh my god, we are cleaning up here too. This is actually another day. I just compiled different random clips of different days of our days in farm, and this particular video. My IT days was very stressful, but at the same time it was fun and it's an experience I enjoyed having, or I enjoyed getting either of the two. So sweetheart, thank you so much for sticking with your girl to this point. For the part you've watched so far, so which of the units do you prefer? Do you prefer the piggery unit or the poultry unit? Let me know at the comment section, and let me know more type of vlogs you would want to be seeing on my channel.
Now what's in the
So today is our day 2 in the farm. Life is very hard. Who is actually forcing? I am leading you people to A's.
To A's, really? Show me A's.
To A. To A's, so please.
No, I'm looking for A+. So you give them the A's.
When they see shifts. Come on, they see that in the front of you. Yeah, commercial farm. El compadre que como tú de tu ciudad. They're up to 10 weeks. But they are left over.
Leftover how?
That's the remaining. They're up to 260.
Okay, so most of them. Then those ones we saw in that place, they're how many weeks? But those ones look bigger than these ones. Okay.
These ones, they are sick.
Okay, they are sick. How much did you sell the big ones for this one?
5,400. So for 5,000.
So if you guys notice, most of the times I'm trying to clean this, trying to do this, it's because I'm always being sent to do those things by our topic supervisor, and because I'm the group leader, so he loves sending me a message most of the time. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, because I enjoyed filming and editing. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you could do well to share to your family and friends. Thank you guys for watching. But I forgot to record the part where we washed this place. You guys needed to see how clean this place became after we cleaned it. It was not easy. It was not easy to wash this place at all. Like, we really scraped the floor. It was looking as good as new, and we transferred all the chickens out. So yes, once more, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.